In a world where millions still live without electricity, credit, or smartphones, one startup turned daily payments into life-changing access. This is the story of M-KOPA, the company that lets you borrow power, progress, and possibility, 1 shilling at a time. M-KOPA, short for mobile credit, M for mobile, KOPA Swahili for borrow, launched commercially in 2012, but the idea was born 2 years earlier in Nairobi. Co-founders Jesse Moore, Nick Hughes, and Chad Larson saw a problem. Millions of people across Africa were off-grid and unbanked. Hughes had helped build M-Pesa at Vodafone. Moore and Larson were Oxford MBA classmates. Together, they imagined a platform that combined mobile money, IoT technology, and daily affordability. In 2011, they raised initial funding through Signal Point Partners and attracted investors like Richard Branson, Generation Investment, and LGT Venture Philanthropy. M-KOPA launched with a bold promise: for a small deposit, around Kenya shillings 3,500, and just 50 shillings a day, you could take home a solar power kit. Miss a payment? The device locks remotely using smart IoT tech. Keep paying? You build ownership and credit history. This pay-as-you-go system was revolutionary. It offered dignity and control to those left out by banks. And it didn't stop at solar panels. Over time, M-KOPA added smartphones, TVs, fridges, and even health insurance and loans. By 2015, M-KOPA had powered over 150,000 homes in Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. That same year, it reported $40 million in revenue, and most customers lived on less than $2 a day. By 2024, the numbers had exploded. Over $1.5 billion in credit extended, more than 5 million customers served, operating in Kenya, Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, and South Africa, 3,000 employees, and over 30,000 sales agents. Their impact was so profound, Time magazine named M-KOPA one of the most influential companies in 2023 and 2024. But not all was smooth sailing. In 2015, M-KOPA blacklisted loan defaulters with credit bureaus, drawing criticism. Others questioned if the daily payment model was affordable for the ultra-poor, or whether it was simply debt with better branding. Yet, defenders argue that M-KOPA gives customers agency and a path to ownership, unlike exploitative loans or predatory lenders. M-KOPA now goes beyond devices. Its AI-powered platform uses customer payment data to build digital credit scores, enabling loans, insurance, and subscriptions. Through M-KOPA Labs, the company is testing new ideas, from e-mobility to climate tech, and partnering with giants like Safaricom, MasterCard, and global manufacturers. M-KOPA is no longer just a solar company. It's an emerging market fintech, reshaping how people borrow, pay, and progress. From a startup in Nairobi to a global leader in digital credit, M-KOPA proves that innovation doesn't always mean apps or AI. Sometimes it means understanding how people live and building systems that meet them where they are. 1 solar panel, 1 phone, 1 50 shilling payment at a time. This is BizScope. Subscribe for more stories that reveal the power of business to shape lives, markets, and futures.